Hi everybody, this is Ron with SekureNation. I know it's been a little while, but we've been working really hard. My team has been coming in. We've been working on a lot of our devices, been working on our environments. For all the courses that are coming up, we're working on our red team courses. We're making sure we have everything ready for the innovative data December for all the high level enterprise data applications and courses that we have. We're looking at tons of courses in between those major courses like PITS Plus. We have the ELK, we have Power BI, we have threat hunting. We have so many different things that we're so excited about. Just to let you know, we're working really hard. No PowerPoint slides. Again, we don't do PowerPoint slides here. This is why we're working so hard to create the new age of cyber training. Whether you're a developer, whether you're in security, or whether you're just curious, this is for just about everyone. So look forward to talking to you more. You'll start seeing me a lot more now that we've knocked out so much. And we're gonna keep pushing. My team is excited, we're happy. So, you know the words, stay cyber safe, stay cyber strong.